Okay. Hello guys and welcome to my journey of DSA. In this journey, I will be solving as many questions possible. As many questions I can solve in the code. Possibly I can solve in the code. So I will try from the easiest question, the two sum. Help me in the journey. Comment some comment ideas. What I'm doing wrong. It's my journey. Hopefully you can also enjoy it, you can also learn it something from this. As per I have knowledge of Python, I am solving this question. Please if you have any suggestions, try it. And firstly, okay, so let's try into question. The first question is two sum, and what it says is we have a list is given. Supposingly, this is a list, and from this list you have to take two number and add them up to get this, to get the target. Okay, so we can clearly see here at for zeroth index there is 2, and at the first index it is 7. After adding 2 and 7, it's 9. So likewise the output is 0 and 1. So for solving this, firstly I delete this. Okay. Now what we will do, we will first, for storing the result, we will create an empty list. So for that, what I'll do, result to an empty list. Okay. After that, the I will run two loops as there are two numbers. And why I'm doing that, I will explain it. So suppose I have a list of one, two, three, four. I know my writing is so bad as a tutor, and I'm not a tutor. I am just trying to learn. Yes. Okay. So I have this array, and I want to target as, let's suppose 5. Okay. So there are basically two possible ways to get to 5. So what we'll do, we will run first loop with this number, and second loop with these three numbers. Okay. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1 plus 4 is 5. After seeing this, we get number 5. Likewise, we will do with same. If our number was not 5, it was supposedly 6. It's not possible with the first number. So we can jump on the number 2, and then number 2 will add 1, will be completely discarded as we have already tried 1 with 2. So it will be completely discarded. Now 2 will go with 3, and 2 will go with 4. We know that 2 plus 4 is 6, and we get our target. Likewise, now we have to coordinate. For that, I will use first for loop uh, for I in the range of nums, right? Nums are given as the list here. So oh, seems pretty nice. Okay. So range in nums. Now it's the I is first number. For second number, we will select J. We can select any character as you want. So let's suppose for, let's take my initial H in range of. Now the range is pretty complicated now. We have already seen, we have taken the first number 1 comma 2, let's see. I and for H. Okay. So for I, if we consider 1, for H we have to consider 2 and 3. So for 2 and 3, what I will do, I will start it from the ith position, okay, and end at the last. So for that, I will set the rings from I and I to n nums. Maybe let's take it num nth position, but with I, not only I. Wait, if I take I, it will consider as 1. What I have to do, I have to add 1 to it. Okay, so we'll take here, we'll add 1. Let's see if it works. Wait, syntax there. Okay, I did. Okay, now what we will do, we will run an if num of index I plus num of index h is equals to target. Right? Target. Nums of I and nums of h is equals to target. Now what will happen? We have already get the target, but we have to add this into the result. So for that, I will append it in result. Okay. So for that, result dot pen pen maybe I comma j. I don't think it's necessary. And then we do on result. Let's hope for the best. If it works, I think there's an invalid syntax. Okay, for range of, I don't need any range of. Again, let me check it again. I have done an issue. Okay, result syntax is correct. No, but I think I need something in. Okay, let's check it if it's okay or not. Add some parentheses. Okay, let's try it now. Hope for the best. Again, I have, see, this is what the first time newbie faces, right? Tons of error. I'm not I'm just trying my skills. Okay, I'm seeing this question for the first time. I don't know how to solve it, but I'm trying one of my logic over it, and let's see what I have done wrong. Indent block. Okay, indent block. So that means I need to make it in the list, right? For list, okay, wait. Can I add one parenthesis more and then below? No, expected error. Right. What else we can do? Comment if you If you know what you have to do, if you know what I have to do, comment, please comment. I really don't know what to do after this. I'm just trying to figuring out what I have done wrong. So can you observe if my logic is correct? I don't think my logic is wrong because I takes the numbers and left me problem is this part. The results spelling is correct. And I don't think a friend needs to do anything wrong with this. Maybe. Maybe result is inside. Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay, I'm such a moron. Okay. And now what is the problem? Range is integer. Argument expected but list. For I range nums. Let's not take it nums. Let's take it as an m. And here we also taken as n. Let's see if it works. No, n is not a global value. Okay. So nums, it isn't taking nums. Maybe, maybe. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's make length of num. Okay, length of num. Here also we will make length of once I was trying to solve another question previously of Python and I just got confused that I haven't used any anywhere. Right? What's the problem? The global name of the nums. It's nums. Let's run it. Okay, once again there is a okay, not true, and I was using it. Please, okay, wrong answer. Thank you for running, at least running. Okay, I don't need two, right? So I will clear one of it, easy, and again start it. No, you don't want answer like this, right? This is correct. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Hmm. This is expected answer. What if I have make it as this? I don't think it will work. So let's try it. I know it doesn't work. Okay, what if we make it as set? I don't think still it will not work. Yes, that will not work. And I'm right the path, but I'm not getting answer. Not getting this result. So what I'm doing wrong, output is making two results, right? One is empty. I can directly add I in it, right? Okay, can I do this? Can I just get it from here and add here. Result is I comma h, and then let's get the result. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Luke, for thank you for accepting my proposal. Let's see it. Okay, accepted, correct. Right. Case 2 is also correct. Case 3 is also correct. So my logic wasn't wrong. My logic wasn't wrong. My skills got wrong. I don't have to make it earlier. I just have to make it later on. Okay. So I don't see any. Oh, so let's let's I know what it says. Let's see the time complexity of time and space complexity of this problem. Okay, many of you doesn't know this. It's complicated. That's why it's called as complexity. So basically, it sees how many operands or how many types, how many loops I have added. So for each loop, it is counted as n. For each separate loop, it is it adds, and for each nested loop, it's multiplied. So basically, there are two loops, and it will obviously multiply. It will give us a big of square, which is I think quadratic equation. It's going like this. Okay, so it's basically it is not a pretty good answer. I think it's my first time trying to solve it, and okay. Thank you for watching. Let's submit it. Okay, thanks. I will take a nap. Bye bye. I would assign it a variable. Okay, thank you.